This is Sounds of Decay 2, Cognitive, with Abhorrence. Metal fans with a soft spot for suffocation-style brutality, swirled with a fascination with the Lovecraftian space apocalypse, should feel right at home with Abhorrence, the fifth full-length album from this five-piece hailing from central New Jersey. The album consists of 10 songs that span 35 minutes, their first to appear on the esteemed Metal Blade Records label. The band shows an impressive flair for cracking hard pan riffs, maddening drum ticks, and occasionally majestic twin harmonies from Rob Wharton and Harry Lannon. Drummer A.J. Viana proves not only to be an octopus-style beast behind the kit, but also quite the engineer handling the production duties, as the Technicolor arrangement on this record is supremely impressive. Plus, the artwork on this thing, courtesy of Brazilian artist Pedro Senna, perfectly aligns with titles like Containment Breach and Lunar Psychopathy.
Typically, the band wastes no time in crushing eardrums from the very first note, a technique evidenced in A Pact Unholy, which tears out of the blocks with mind-numbing speed and the odd guitar shred squiggles reminiscent of Anti-Gamma. Vocalist Shane Jost typically alternates between gruff, cupped growls and metalcore screams, but on this track, there's an almost majestic-sounding croon he employs quite splendidly during the verses. There are a couple of tracks here that really stand out with creative guitar work. As the Light Fades and the aforementioned Lunar Psychopathy both shift from the band's hard-screaming, drum-blazing death metal style into an atmospheric, slower-paced bridge with synths setting up the aforementioned twin guitar operatics before slamming back into the brutality. I really thought these two tracks stand out and would love to hear the band incorporate more of this creative guitar on future releases. But at any rate, this is definitely one of the better tech death platters to drop in 2024 so far. You need the gold swirled vinyl of Abhorrence for your blasphemous collection. You know it. This song is called As the Light Fades.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.